In this video, I'll guide you through how to lock Facebook profile officially. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. At the beginning, you need to open the Facebook app and tap on your profile. Then click on the third icon. Then you'll see no profile lock option will appear here. Then let me show you how you can lock your Facebook profile. Now go back to previous step and click on this third icon. Scroll down, expand settings and privacy, tap on settings. After coming to the settings and privacy page, you need to scroll down and find followers and public content and tap on it. Tap on who can see followers on your profile and choose friends. Basically, you can convert all of these to friend. Then go back to previous step and click on profile and tagging. Tap on first on who can post on your profile. Choose friends. Now go back to Facebook profile, tap on the third icon and turn off professional mode. Click on continue, then turn off. Now tap on close and refresh this page. Then you will see the profile lock option will appear here. Now tap on lock profile and then lock your profile. By following this tutorial, you can easily lock your Facebook profile officially.